GCSE Chemist, let's do a super quick wastewater treatment matchup question. And it's not necessarily a difficult question, but it is one of those topics or subtopics that is often forgotten about, right? And it would actually make quite a nice 6-mark question going through the stages of wastewater treatment. So for this particular question, we just want to match up the treatment that is used for the effluent and the sludge. Just wanted to pop in to say that you can get 4 to 6 hours of free chemistry revision in our Easter revision course. Link in my bio to secure your spot. Now, do we even know what those words mean? Right, that's obviously the first step. Now, when we're treating our wastewater, first we'll remove the large debris, right, like the big chunky stuff, through our screening and our grit removal. We'll then have our wastewater, or what's left over, in these sedimentation tanks where it's going to settle into essentially like 2 different layers. We're going to end up with some solid sludge that is settled at the bottom. And then we're going to have the liquid effluent, which is the liquid part at the top, okay? Now, it's the liquid effluent that can then be treated to be released into reservoirs and then be used to make like potable water. And the way that we treat this liquid effluent is through aerobic biological treatment, and then that reduces how much solid stuff there is left over. And then for our sludge, the way that we treat that is through anaerobic digestion, so digestion by bacteria in anaerobic conditions, so without oxygen. And that's it, nice and straightforward, and we've kind of revised and summarized some of these steps. Make sure that you do not forget key topics in your GCSE chemistry. This is one for paper 2 for AQA, wastewater treatment, that comes just after your potable water and that required practical. For more GCSE chemistry practice, make sure that you are following, and for full courses with MyEdSpace, where you'll have 2 one-hour lessons per week with homework for every lesson, video solutions for those exam style question homeworks as well, then you can go to the link in my bio and sign up for our £10 trial, £10 for 10 days. Try it out, see if you like the live lessons and if it works for you. And if it doesn't, stick with me on TikTok. And if it does, then yay, stick with me every week. Wonderful. Did I say make sure you're following? Make sure you're following. Okay.